is the ODM has given a 90 days notice. That's the law. As it is, before the notice expires, we still count ourselves as members of Azimio. Any given time, a parliamentary part as to have what's called a parliamentary group meeting to make a unanimous decision. As Azimio, we have had a meeting of more than 63 members who are present this morning. From 10:30 in this chamber, we've come unanimously that as Azimio, as a stand, before the 90 days, we stand firm that we are not part of the impeachment motion. We're also backed up by the Azimio, by the broad-based member of the Counter Assembly from the UDM. Those who addressed you, go to the memory lane. In 3 months, 4 months ago, which party were they addressing on? We don't want to mention names, but go to, as journalists, realize those people 4 months ago, 5 months ago, which party were they addressing the issues of Nairobi on which platform? Therefore, as an Azimio party and broad-based, we are addressing the issue of Azimio and broad-based. It's true, we agree. You have not seen the issues, by the way. If there were issues, this house as a leadership, as a structure, that you present those issues, if are not agreed among the parties. I can tell you today, for the UDA party has not had in this assembly a PG to make a determination whether they are going for the impeachment of a governor or not. Already, as a new party, have had a PG inside here, with more than 64 members out of 70 attending a PG. And we've resolved unanimous that as a new coalition party, the county assembly, with our colleagues who are in UDA in broad-based, we've said we are not participating in anything called impeachment.